Alright, you guys are gonna be a RC car. Ready? You guys will tell me if I drive smooth or not. This is the POV of a RC car.